Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix screen tearing in Chrome YouTube. So guys, I will have multiple solutions for you. So the first one is going to the settings. So select the three dots over here on your Chrome and go to the settings. Now here on the settings, you can just simply search for acceleration and you will have an option over here, use graphics acceleration when available. So make sure to just simply turn this off, and mostly this can fix a lot of issues. And another option that you could also try is going for the Chrome double colon slash slash flags. And here on the experiment tab, you could just simply go ahead and search for smooth scrolling, as you can see over here. Or if you don't say this, of course, you can use the search bar at the top and make sure that this is disabled. So sometimes disabling this can fix most of the issue that you have. Now guys, if it still doesn't work, the last option that you could try is go into your start menu. And now here, you just simply search for device manager. So go ahead and click on it. And now here on the device manager, you can just simply go for the display adapters and right click on this one and make sure to update your driver. And now over here, you just simply search automatically for drivers, and when there is any update, you should be able to update it over here. And pretty much these three solutions could help you out. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.